Still gotta wrap the exhaust. If I can install it with all that easily into the vehicle, I'm gonna wrap it from exhaust manifold, up pipes, through the exhaust turbine housing. Try to get all that and harness all the heat into here. So I can use that thermal heat for more power. And probably thermal wrap the down pipe so I won't get that heat into the cab as it's exiting out the engine. Should come out. Maximum up to here. The rest of it I'll just leave it. Let the air cool it off. But just get it out from that engine bay valley. But it's coming out pretty good. Patience. It's the one thing you gotta have. Other than that, tiny ass little shop. That's all you need. Ain't got space. And then, look at this. 1, 2, not even 3 feet. From the box to cherry picker to the engine. Got less on the other side. Pretty much tells you, I mean, you could do anything with the amount of space you have and the tools you have. As long as you get to it. And don't make any excuses.